Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis. This is a mother of this 3-year-old girl noticed blood stains in the undergarment of for 2 days, and she was referred for a perineal scan because of a suspicious fleshy mass at 6 o'clock position at the vaginal orifice. So, for comparison, a normal perineal scan is shown on the left side, and the scan of this particular child is shown on the right side. This is sagittal perineal scan, and no abnormal. And if you would like to see I mean, this case is shown to illustrate the importance of uh, the following strictly the protocol. And if you'd like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to shonoshare.in. Image to diagnosis, general sonography, and this is the first in the series for gynecology. Thank you.